Hello, my name is Yunjin Slim and I am studying for Master of Marketing class in IMC. The purpose of this brief video is to share my perspective on green marketing, explain my ethical approach and show how Danone uses responsible marketing to succeed in the food industry. From my point of view, I follow the belief that judging action by their outcomes is the best ethical approach. This approach focuses on outcomes a decision is ethical if it brings positive results for the environment, the community, and customers. The green marketing perfectly reflects this mindset. It proves that companies can go beyond profit and take responsibility. When Danone uses recyclable packaging or eco-friendly farming, the impact benefit everyone, consumers, the environment, and the brand itself. Danone shows how food companies can grow by practicing ethical marketing centered around environment responsibility. Their slogan, One Planet, One Health, expresses their belief that human wellness and health of the planet are deeply connected. This philosophy is reflected in everything they do, from how they farm to how they package their product. This purpose-driven mission is one reason I personally trust and support Danone. Their action align with their values, which builds strong credibility. Danone's environmental actions include aiming to be carbon neutral by 2050, switching to 100% recyclable or compostable packaging by 2025, and supporting regenerative agriculture. Their Evian brand uses 100% recycled plastic bottles and operate with zero carbon emissions. These practices make Danone stand out. They aren't just promoting a green image, they are living it through real changes in manufacturing and branding. This helps build trust and attract health-conscious consumers. At the same time, the food market is evolving. There is a rise in ready-to-eat meals like Muesli, Chef, and U-Foods, especially among young people. Meanwhile, older consumers want simple, healthy products with clear labeling. Danone responds well to these trends. Their prebiotic yogurts and dairy-free alternatives meet rising consumers' concerns about ingredients like sugar, fat, and additives. Before my studies, I worked as a category manager for a retail chain in Mongolia. I was involved in product selection, pricing, and supplier relations. During this time, I noticed how consumer preferences were changing. People were looking for more eco-friendly and ethical options. If had I applied green marketing more directly, I would have prioritized sustainable suppliers and educational in-store content to help consumers make better choices. My future goal is to use this retail knowledge combined with marketing skills to support the growth of responsible brands. I want to help to create strategies that are both ethically sound and commercially successful. Thank you for watching my video.